Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not been on here for a while because I bought a computer and I was thinking that maybe I could learn how to edit my videos on the computer instead of my Android phone, which I haven't learned how to do yet. So I'm still on the Android, but I'm coming back at you live with something that Goldie loves. And everybody that knows me knows Goldie loves to do hair. And that has been my career for a very, very long time. So I decided to shoot a video of me working on a client that suffers from alopecia and just to bring some of my hair loss solutions to life and bring them to you so that you can see that it can be done. Just because you're losing your hair, you're still beautiful. And I want to thank my client for allowing me to film this. So here right now, after shampooing, we are cornrolling the hair. We, meaning myself, am cornrolling her hair. Now she has long hair in the back, as you can see, is very healthy. So I'm going to cornroll that before I install the weave. And if you could, while you can you please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will know the next time I upload a video. Thanks in advance. My room looks a little empty because I'm in the process of moving. And I have a video coming up soon of my husband and I apartment hunting in Maryland, in Columbia, Maryland, actually. So be on the lookout for that. So now I am finishing up her cornrows. And after I finish up her cornrows, I am going to uh, shave around her edges to make sure that everything is nice and neat. So when I do apply the weave, that everything flows perfectly. So here I am trimming up her little hairs around the neck area. Again, making sure everything is nice and neat and cut very low. Again, so that when I apply the weave, and what she's getting is a 27 piece, which is very short. So when I apply the weave, none of her hairs will be sticking out from the weave where you could tell the difference. What we don't want is for her weave to look like a weave, a bad weave at that. So I'm going to install it very neatly and professionally. And right now I am putting on the protector. We call it glue protector or skin protector. I apply this to the hair, give it a nice coat, and I also apply it on the area at the top of her head where there is no hair at all. I still want to protect her scalp at all costs. I'm not sure if you all can see her top, but her top is hairless, completely hairless. So, excuse me, I cannot breathe there. But I still put the protector on to give it a nice coat. And also when she takes her cap off, because I am going to apply a cap, that none of the glue will even be on her scalp. Give it a nice coat. And then I'm going to smooth that out with my brush. Now this is waterproof. This solution is not waterproof is what I want to say, because when you shampoo the hair, this protector loosens right up and will lift the weave right off. So don't try going swimming unless you have on a cap, a bathing cap. All right, so now we are done applying that first coat, and now I am going to install the cap. And as I install the cap, I want to install the cap evenly on her entire head. Okay, it's nice and even, so I don't need to cut the holes. Usually I cut the holes and put the ears through, but I don't have to do that in this case. So right now I am going to just apply some more protector. We call it Grow Protect here, or Glory something. I forgot exactly what it's called, but I know it works great. It's a miracle. God bless the person that invented this. So again, I'm going to put another coat on top of her cap. And then I am going to put her under the dryer for about 15 minutes because I want it to completely dry. And so it has to go through 2 coats and the braids, the cornrows. All right. Now that she's dry, we start the installation, which is a bonded procedure where we do use glue. This is her preference. This is what she likes. So this is what we do. Now what I did not show is once she dries and comes from under the dryer, I do cut the rim of the stocking cap off. I never leave that on because it can actually bruise the forehead and it tightens up for some reason if you leave it on. So you want to cut that rim off. After applying the bottom portion of the weave, I then waved it with some mousse and some Eco. After the bottom portion of her hair dried, I then applied the Jerry Curl wave on the top. Isn't it beautiful? She loves it. I love it. And we are all done. After I clean her up and tweak the little curls here and there, she is satisfied and another satisfied customer. Thanks for joining me.